What if we drained the Earth's oceans? What if we found a way to drain all the Earth's oceans through some mysterious portal at the bottom of the Mariana Trench? Ocean water covers 70% of the Earth's surface, but how much liquid is that exactly? Imagine draining the oceans into Olympic-sized swimming pools. You'd need an unimaginable number of them, hundreds of billions to be exact. And even with a portal the size of a basketball court, it would take hundreds of thousands of years to drain the oceans. But what if we had a pump powerful enough to drain all the oceans in just 1 minute? The effects would be immediate. Swimmers, sailors, and cruise passengers would feel it first, crashing into the ocean floor. Ships, including those the size of the Titanic, would break apart on impact within seconds. As for sea creatures, it would be a literal rain of fish. Whales, dolphins, and other marine animals would helplessly fall from the disappearing waters. Some creatures near the ocean's bottom may get sucked down the drain along with the last remnants of water, but the worst effects are yet to come. Oceans play two critical roles in sustaining life on Earth. First, they regulate global temperatures by absorbing energy from the sun and distributing it around the planet. Without the oceans, the Earth would become a climate nightmare. Deserts would spread, and temperatures would swing wildly between extreme heat and freezing cold. Oceans also feed the water cycle by evaporating into clouds that rain back onto the land. Without oceans, the water cycle would collapse. Rivers and lakes can't sustain the entire planet. Within days, freshwater sources would dry up, and life as we know it would come to an end. Humans and animals would die from dehydration within days. Plants would last only a few weeks before decaying in the dry air, and soon after, massive wildfires would ignite, consuming entire forests. The atmosphere would become less oxygenated, choking out the remaining survivors. With little oxygen left and temperatures rising, any remaining life would be wiped out. Earth would become a barren, fiery wasteland, just like Venus, cooked beyond recovery. So, maybe it's a good time to take a beach vacation and appreciate the oceans while we still have them. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more such content. What's your next what-if scenario?